Hello, new Avon representative. Congratulations on joining this iconic company. One of the first questions we hear from new representatives is, how do I get paid? Good question. Before we get started, let's review your potential earnings. Let's talk about what's on the table, meaning your personal sales commission when you earn as a new representative. Some people might refer to this as your Avon discount. As a new representative on day one, you start as a contender and are eligible to earn commissions when your sales for the campaign are $40 and more. In layman's terms, make sure your order is $40 or more so you receive a commission. There are 4 ways to share your business: the traditional printed brochure, your online store, and your digital brochure, which is identical to the printed brochure. It's shareable, shoppable, and flippable. Plus, we have an amazing, innovative way to grow customers: live shopping. When you share your own unique link to our live shopping events, it's an easy and fun way to let Avon do the selling for you. Now that you know how to share your Avon business, it's time to talk about the 2 ways to get paid by your customer. Let's start with how you get paid from a traditional order. When you receive an order from a customer, we often refer to as a traditional order, meaning your customer tells you what they want to order and you collect payment. Next, you enter the order on avon.com, bundling all customer orders and submitting one order a campaign. When you collect payment up front from your customers, be sure to charge tax. The tax rate will be based on where you live. We also suggest adding a service fee per customer to help you cover the shipping fee. You pay Avon when you submit your order. Let's take a look. Your customer will pay full price, and when you submit the order on avon.com, you will pay a discounted price based on your commission level, meaning you keep the difference between the full price and the discounted price. That is the amount you have earned. Next, we will explain how you get paid when you have customers shop from you online. Remember, there are 3 different ways your customer can shop online: digital brochure, online store, live shopping personal link. When your customer orders online from one of these ways, they will pay the full brochure price plus tax and shipping. If the order is $60 or more, the customer gets free shipping and you, the representative, pay for it. And then the order will be delivered directly to them. Your earnings, which is your commission level on the full price, will be added to your Avon wallet. What is Avon Wallet and how do you access it? Good question. Let me tell you. As soon as you have your first earnings of any type, Avon will automatically create your Avon Wallet account and you'll receive an email with a link you can use to activate your account. You'll get all of your earnings from all of your online store orders, incentive cash payouts, account credits, etc., paid quickly and easily through PayPal or Venmo, or you can choose a prepaid card. Fees apply. This is the beginning of a beautiful journey with Avon, and we can't wait to celebrate your success. Thank you for joining, and happy selling.